Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect Instagram with Facebook page. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and click on profile in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on creator tools and controls, and here you can see option connect or create. Click on that. So here you can see connect or create a Facebook page. You simply need to click on continue. So I'm going to connect this Instagram account with this page, for example. Click on done. You need to wait for few seconds. So it take few seconds more to connect, and after that it will be connected my with this page. And so this is the complete process by which you can connect your Instagram with Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.